Okay, we're here in Taipa Pequena, and I'm going to be hiking the Taipa Pequena all the way around, and we'll see, check it all out. So it's kind of cool, right? Okay. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna be hiking this trail. I wasn't planning to hike this trail. This just all kind of happened. I was doing another video where suddenly I ran into a pretty cool. I was checking out some abandoned buildings. That was kind of interesting. And then suddenly I found myself up on the trail, and I think what I'm gonna do is just do a whole video just walking the Taipa Pequena trail. As an aside, there's a lot of trails all over Macau. Check out that view, it's amazing. So there's Taipa Grande, there's Taipa Pequena. We're on Taipa Pequena. Taipa was traditionally an island. There's Taipa Grande over there on the other side of those buildings. Some of these buildings are so tall that I'm on top of this building, and I can still see the other top of the building, but some of them are black, the view. Way over there is Coloan. So Coloan, Taipa Pequena, Taipa Grande were once 3 different islands, I believe. I believe both Taipas are 2 different islands. Pretty cool. Look how tall some of these buildings are, so amazing. How many stories they must be. So so this whole area called we call it all Taipa now, but if we're in Coloan we call it Coloan. But sometimes we just say like everything on this side of Macau is Taipa, which includes Cotai Strip, and then Hengshin, which is University of Macau. That's also considered Taipa as well. So so all 3 of them are now Taipa, Taipa Pequena, Taipa Grande, Coloan. Coloan is still separate, but Coloan used to be an island, and now it's all one big island. And that's kind of the that's that mountain that you can see in the background. Another one of these beautiful things right here, right? Nice places to sit. Huh. I've been to some trails in Coloan and other places, but I've never been on this one before. And actually it's quite amazing looking at these views. I didn't realize these buildings were so tall like that. I think I just got my first mosquito bite on my arm. So I think we're gonna see if we can do the whole circular route. I don't know if I can or not, but we're gonna try. But I don't want to have long videos, so we might just do it in portions. So if you want to see more of this one, just try to look for the next one, basically. Didn't expect this. Didn't expect I'd be doing this today at this time in the evening. But I'm glad I did, because I think later, oh yeah, here we go. These mountains, and then another one of these things too. But now we're going to be able to look at the bridges. So these are we're on the Taipa side, and then over there is the Macau side. This might be a little bit longer of a trail than I anticipate. Dang. That's kind of cool. I think that's School of Nations right there. That white building is School of Nations, and that's Taipa Centro. And then on the other side of the Taipa Centro is Cotai, so I can see a little bit of Venetian on the other side of this building here. And that would be the Cotai Strip, and then on the other side is Coloan. Coloan also has some hiking trails and some beaches too. And over on this side is some of the universities. So that red and white one over there is part of the universities. Dang, looks kind of cool. And this one is Grand Nova, I believe it's called. That's where IKEA is at. It's in the ground floor of that tall apartment building right there. And then you can see those are the universities down that way. Universities being City University and Institute of Fashion Technology. Look how cool that is. So yeah, one of the beautiful things about Macau, right, is traditionally Macau is a peninsula. Might have even been an island before, but it's definitely a peninsula. I think it's always been a peninsula. I think it's a tiny little isthmus over the top that's now expanded a little bit more. There's another island called Green Island up there, and that combined to make the width of it a little bit longer than it traditionally was. But before it was just like a little small isthmus, and then it kind of turned into like an island looking thing of Macau, which is basically a peninsula. And then Taipa and Koloan were two other islands that were south of it, which is what we're on right now, is one of those. I don't know how long I want to walk. We're at 4.5 minutes. I could walk all the way around it or not. And I think to walk all the way around it could take some time. But anyways, you definitely get an idea of what it looks like. It did look like there's a big circuit, so we'll see. I might decide to walk back, but see some of the foliage a little bit. I wonder if there's yeah, those are those tall buildings. That's amazing, right? Actually, Taipa Pequena, I don't really think about it so much. This is called Little Taipa, this mountain top. There's a pavilion up there. I didn't think I'd be hiking a mountain trail today. Sometimes it just kind of go with the flow of stuff, right? It's kind of cool. Nice place to sit and relax, especially at this time of the evening. So we're gonna keep on walking, and I think we're gonna be doing the whole circuit. So I don't know how long I'll do it for, but I definitely I think we might be kind of committed now, so I might be doing the whole way around. Yeah, I can see IFT right there, that big logo. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a building straight ahead. IFT is Institute of Fashion Technology, which is one of the universities over there. They got some pretty nice views over there as well. Okay, so this is what the trails look like. If you were to hike some trails in Macau, this is one of them. They're all kind of a little bit like this. They kind of make a nice trail that's comfortable, and they label it well. This might actually be a good location to end this video. That's how you'd come up here. So it looks like this one is called Trilho de Taipa Pequena 2000 circuit. So that's 400 meters, and that's where we were just at right there. You can also go up to that pavilion up there. There's a pavilion straight that way. And then let's see what else you have. So this goes down to a main road, so you can take this down to that, to I think Lim Lok is not sure exactly. North Peak Pavilion, straight up that way, and then a sculpture right up that way. So that might be a separate video. Looks like that one will be going into the sunset a little bit, which could be a beautiful one. This one right here, there's the bridge. That's one of the 3 bridges, and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start a new video, but we're gonna end it right there. So that's the one that we were just on, which is called Trilho Taipa Pequena 2000. So maybe that stands for 2,000 meters. Okay, let's end that right there.